What's good, my sizes? We're back again with another video, and today I will be showing you guys what a Staywell suite at the MGM Grand looks like. So let's get into it. Okay, so when you first walk in, on the left side is a full-length mirror. Don't judge the fact that I'm barefoot. But I just bought this dress, by the way. Anyways, so then you get to like the living room section of this, and it's a couch with a chaise lounge. And then they put two ottomans together to make a table. And you get some wall art. That is the view that we'll check out in a second. Okay, so this is the view for the window that faces the living room. So as you could see the MGM, New York, Park MGM, Aria, Waldorf Astoria, and the Polo Towers, and the Cosmopolitan, and part of the Bellagio. You also get a chair and a side table, and then like a little desk with with a TV on it. But what's cool is you have like all of your electronical plugins and things like that. So you can do like a regular charger, HDMI, stuff like that. Okay, so this section over here is all of the weighted goods. So you have your ice tray with your ice bucket and 2 glasses, and then this is a weighted tray with 2 waters, some premium beef jerky, and a tech kit. And then inside of this cabinet right here, you open it up and you get cabinet space on this side. And then on the right side is the mini fridge that is fully stocked. So because it's fully stocked, it's weighted, so whatever you pick up, yeah, it literally says storing personal items in the minibar will result in a $50 restocking fee. Refrigerators are available through housekeeping for $35 per day. So if you want your own refrigerator for the MGM, it's $35 per day, and if you want anything out of this, you have to pay for it. Okay, so on the left of that is your closet right here. This is the only door I haven't opened yet. So let's see. Okay, so you just get like a regular closet, 1 bar, 1 shelf. You have the iron up top. They give you some hangers and the ironing board, and then the little cart thing that you put your luggage on. And there's also a light on there. I know, is it this light switch? No. Okay, maybe the light switch is dead, but there is a light in there. So on the right of the closet, you have your bathroom. And when you walk in, there's 2 light switches. This one is for your overhead light, and this one is for the mirrors. So the cool thing about this is when you walk in, you have 2 sinks, and then a shelf below for like extra towels, tissues, your hair dryer, and then toilet paper. But the cool thing about this is that it has wellness lighting. So make sure that this light is on. You turn this light switch on, and then you push the button to turn it off and to turn it on. So make sure you push that button to turn it off, turn it on, change the coloring of the light. See how it went from like a tungsten to like a white light? Yeah. And then of course you have your mirror, your magnifying mirror over here that pulls out. And then on the right side, you have a bathtub that is in the corner, and you have the little handle that you can, help yourself into, and it does have jets. And then on the left of that is the toilet, and on the right of the bathtub is the stand-in shower. And what's cool about the shower is that it has a water purifier that is supposed to make your skin and your hair like super soft and healthy. Okay, so if we leave the bathroom and go right, you're greeted by the bed. And this is the air purifier, and as you can see, it's on. And then you have 2 nightstands and 2 lamps. And then you also have another window, and then this is your thermostat over here. And this desk also has drawers over here. So the window with the bed, this is your view. You've got the same view of MGM, Excalibur, New York, Park MGM, T-Mobile Arena, the Orleans, the Waldorf Astoria, everything like that. But over here where it has like all that construction, that used to be the Hawaiian marketplace, but of course they're tearing that down, and hopefully they'll rebuild something there. But yeah, so you can see like Bellagio, Cosmo, Polo Towers, Aria, all those casinos. Alright you guys, that was this week's video on the MGM Staywell Suites. So if you've ever stayed here or have any thoughts about this room, let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your guys' thoughts were about the room, about the property, anything like that. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Doodles!